to another edition of Weekly Outlook on HDA Trading Empire. Now in today's video, we are going to analyze the forex market and see what is likely to happen in the forex market for this coming week. But before we dive into our analysis, do want to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every video and educational content I drop. See you and see whether we have any high impact news for this coming week. So we first look at Monday, which is on the 2nd of September. You have to note that it's a bank holiday in USA and Canada, so the market won't be that active on Monday. And now if we move to Tuesday, which is on 3rd September, we have CPI for the Swiss franc and ISM manufacturing PMI for the United States dollar, then GDP on AUD, then Bank of Canada rate statement for Canada, and we also have the overnight rate. Then we have the XAUUSD job opening, which is for USD. Then we also have the Bank of Bank of Canada press conference, which is on Wednesday, right? Then when we move to Thursday's 5th September, there's also news for AUD, then non-farm employment change, ADP non-farm employment change for the USD. Then we also have unemployment claims for USD, then ISM service PMI. So during this week, there's a lot of high impact news. On Friday, which is on 6th September, we have the unemployment rate for USD. Then we have the almighty NFP, which is the non-farm payrolls on Friday. Then we also have the average hourly earnings, unemployment rate for Canada, then employment change for Canada, which is on Friday. So if you look at this one, Forex Factory, you notice that for this week there is a lot of high impact news for this coming week, so you have to be very careful in trading. But I have to note that on Monday it's a bank holiday for Canada and United States, so the market won't be that active. You are not going to see any volatile market on Monday, but real business is going to happen starting on Tuesday up to Friday, because we have a lot of high impact news for this coming week. So we start with EURUSD on the 4 hours time frame. So we are analyzing EURUSD now. So now if you look at EURUSD on the 4 hours time frame, you notice that there has been a change of market structure from an uptrend to a downtrend. So you realize that at first EURUSD was in an uptrend over here. We saw that upward movement here. Then we saw a break of structure downward over here, which led to a change of market structure or change of character. So you see that there is a break of structure to the downward direction here over here. So the trend has changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. So now since it's a downtrend, we'll be looking for selling opportunities in the market. So for selling opportunities in the market, we have to look for our resistance zones in the market. So we have this first resistance zone over here. We have this first resistance zone over here. Then we also have another resistance zone over here, or key zone. We also have another key zone over here. So now this is what I want to see in the market. I want to see the market retrace to this level here, or give us a pullback to this level here. Then look for confirming candlesticks on the 1 hour time frame, then sell EURUSD. Or it's likely that if the market breaks this structure, so assuming the market gets to this key level here and it breaks this key level upward, then my target will be up to this key level over here. So when price gets to this key level here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a confirming candlestick for selling opportunity, then sell EURUSD. So this is a very simple one on EURUSD. So I'm bearish on EURUSD for this coming week. Actually, I don't trade against the trend, so I trade according to the trend. So if it's a downtrend, I look for selling opportunities in the market. So this is a very simple one on EURUSD. Next pair we also look at now is NZD USD. So for NZD/USD, if you take a close at this market, you realize that NZD/USD is still in an uptrend. NZD/USD is still in an uptrend, but you know that we previously made an analysis on EURUSD, and you know that now these two pairs have to correlate positively. They correlate positively, but NZD/USD is still bullish. It's in an uptrend. So now for an uptrend, we'll be looking for buying opportunities in the market. So now we have to identify our key level to buy in the market. So we have this zone of interest over here. So let me draw it well over here. We have this zone of interest over here. Now you can see that the market has already tapped into this zone. The market has already tapped into this zone over here. So now you can see that the market is moving upward slightly. So for this coming week, actually, since EURUSD is bearish and NZD/USD is giving us some bullish signs, now I'm going to give two scenarios here. So now if I'll be bullish on NZD/USD, then I want to see NZD/USD come back and retest this key zone here again, so giving us something like a double bottom, then give me that bullish confirming candlestick on the 1 hour time frame, then buy NZD/USD. So first I want to see something like a double bottom on this particular key zone here, and if I would be bearish, then I want to see NZD/USD break this key structure downward there. So if NZD/USD breaks this structure downward here, then I'll wait for a retest to this key zone here, then look for that bearish confirming candlestick, then sell NZD/USD. So now I've given you two scenarios over here. So for the buy scenario over here, I want to see something like a double bottom. So I want to see NZD/USD touch the zone again. So when it touches the zone again and gives me that buying confirmed candlestick, then I go ahead to buy NZD/USD. That's what I want to see. And the selling scenario over here is that I want to see it break the structure downward there, and if it breaks the key zone downward there, I'll look for a retest to that key zone, then look for selling confirmed candlesticks and sell NZD/USD. So this is a very simple one on NZD/USD. The next pair we'll look at is AUD/USD. So for this particular pair over here, now you notice that there's a change of character. You know, the market has changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. So the change of character happened over here. So that's why I've drawn this line, or that the straight line I've seen over there. So now since there's a downtrend, now we are going to look for our key zones to sell in the market. So we have this zone of interest here, or a resistance zone to sell in the market, and we also have another resistance zone over here to sell in the market. So we also have this resistance zone over here. So we have this resistance zone over here. So now you can see that price has currently touched this key zone over here. Price has touched this particular key zone over here. So I hope you are seeing that. So you can see that this blue candlestick you are seeing over here has touched this key zone over here. So now let's move down to the 1 hour time frame and let me show you something. So now moving down to the 1 hour time frame, now you can see that when price touched this key zone over here, now you can see that it's forming something like a bearish candlestick. So on the previous for this coming week, I want to see another bearish candlestick form. I want to see another bearish candlestick form. And if that candlestick forms, that bearish candlestick forms, and I'm going to look at the size of the body for that particular bearish candlestick. So if the size is big, then meaning that that's a confirmation for me to do it, to sell in the market. So it's likely that the market can drop from this particular key zone here. So that's scenario 1. So for scenario 2, to this what is likely to happen. So since we're in the downtrend, we are looking for selling opportunities. So it's likely that the market can decide to continue upward. And when the market continues upward, I'll be targeting this particular key zone here, And when the market gets to this particular key zone, like I always do, look for selling confirming candlesticks, then sell AUD USD. So this is a very simple one on AUD USD, very simple analysis on AUD USD for this coming week. So now the next pair we look at is GBP USD. So for GBP USD, we can see that the market is currently in a downtrend. The market is currently in a downtrend. So for downtrend, I'll be looking for selling opportunities in the market. So for selling opportunities, I'm going to identify my key zones for selling in this market. So we have a zone of interest over here. We have this zone of interest over here. Then we also have another zone of interest over here on the 4 hours time frame. So we also have this one over here. We also have this zone of interest over here. So now this is what I want to see in the market for GBP USD. So for GBP USD, this is what I want to see. I want to see the market touch this key zone over here. Then look for selling confirming candlesticks, then sell GBP USD. Or it's likely that the market can just violate this particular key zone here upward. So in case that happens, then I'll be targeting this particular key zone over here, then sell GBP USD. Look for bearish confirming candlesticks, so bearish candlesticks, then sell GBP USD for this coming week. So this is a very simple one on GBP USD. Then we take our last pair, which is gold. So let's take our last pair, which is gold. So we take a look at gold over here. So for gold. Yes, so now this is good. So in the previous week, this is what I said about gold. I said I am bearish on gold. So I said gold will touch this particular key zone here, then we drop in. But actually gold didn't drop that much, you know. It dropped, then goes up, it drops, then goes up, it drops, then goes up. So that's what we were seeing on gold in the previous week. So now for this week, actually I'm still bearish on gold. So like I said, I'll be bullish only if gold breaks this particular structure upward here. If gold breaks this key zone upward there. So when gold breaks this key zone upward there, then meaning that I'm bullish. So if that happens, then I'll wait for a retest to this particular key zone here, then look for buying confirming candles and sell good. So for my bearish scenario here now, so this is what I want to see on gold. So now I want to see gold touch this key zone here again, and when gold touches this key zone here, I look for selling confirming candles and sell good. So this is a very simple one on gold. Very simple one on gold. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Now we've come to an end of our analysis, and thank you for watching this video. If you find this video valuable, do well to hit the like button, and if you have any question concerning the analysis we've made, or if you think that we haven't analyzed any of your favorite pairs, do well to mention that in the comment section below and we will attend to you. And you can also join my Telegram channel for free forex signals. The link is in the description below. Do well to tap on it to join my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. I'm out.